This is Abhinandan, 18th December 2025. Abhinandan here. So I'm just going to a printing press. In fact, I'm going to a paper shop because yesterday also I went to identify how to print a small slip in Spanish language. So I'm passing through this area. Yesterday I did not record. So I thought today it's a daytime. Let me record. Abhinandan from Bangalore, right now in Santa Cruz, Bolivia. After thinking for a long time, should I print a small prospecting slip, like a little bigger size than a business card or a visiting card? Sometimes when I meet people next to me, when I'm sitting here, I meet a lot of people. Last time I met a person from Argentina. I was very happy to see Messi in India, in Kolkata. So we had a conversation somewhere over there. So sometimes giving a small slip, a prospecting slip, would be very good because sometimes they connect. Okay, it may not be everyone, 1 out of 20 people. So Abhinandan here. So contact and speak to me if you truly has a desire. This is a very landmark in South American cities. You will have one main square like this. This is a little bit small, but inside the other side is like a museum and a place. People sit here. I meet people. Every time I sit on the bench, maybe 1 out of 4% will be a potential person. Okay. So yesterday I went this side. I found a lot of printing press. From a very expensive, I found the most reasonable way to do it. Today I'm going to find out the paper cost. Okay. And then I will plan. Today is December 18th, 2025. I thought I will print a small slip for, Happy New Year and a kind of prospecting. So let me see what is the outcome. So I'm planning things in other countries also. Okay, a lot of things are happening and a lot of people are joining. Okay, but I want something on massive scale. If it was an Indian city, I would have conducted seminars, meetings and all. But here, out of 20, 50 people, one will know English. 50 adult person. So let me stop right now. I have to go this side. And here and all the shops close up by 6 o'clock. So I have to, this is some museum, this is some place again. So contact and speak to me. Very important is WhatsApp me on the number coming on the screen or in my Facebook page or on the website. I'll give you more details. If you are able to start a small business with $55, 4,811. Here it is about 550 Bolivians. Okay, that's a small money. But you should be ready to work. Business means there are people still very stupid. They don't know what is business. Okay, I keep repeating every time, free business travel, free, business earning. They'll say like stupidly, okay, oh, if I give $55 to you, don't give me, I don't take your money, I only educate you. Now listening to my tonality, half the people get frightened and they go fall for liars and cheaters. Liars like Ashish Nigam, cheaters like Saji Wilford. Okay, and I can give you 100 names. They go fall for such people. Okay, but because I'm blunt and straightforward, they get frightened even if they are in 50s or 60s. But this business is better than any other business. You know why? First, it is global. Second, you earn in US dollar. Third, you do not collect anyone's money. You only educate. And the best way to earn money when you do not have the capacity to start with big money, when you do not have the capacity to start with big money, is always the best is affiliate or a referral. There are people so stupid, oh, I should refer other people. That is better than selling. Okay? Here also sales happen, you make a profit, you make 100% profit, 25%, 50%, 75%, 100% profit or a commission, whatever you call it. Okay? 100%. I'll show you how. But this is much better than selling. I see people here struggling. From morning 6 o'clock they keep the shop till night 11 o'clock. Sitting over there. 99% people won't have a business. They'll be scrolling on their mobile. Okay? My business is the best business. I sleep anytime I want. I get up anytime I want. I go wherever I want. Okay? And I travel wherever I would like to travel. And you know what? And earn money. If you are earning probably even more than $3,000 per month, minimum $3,000 per month, you can even stay in USA, even in New York or Miami, because a room rent will be about $800 to $1,000. $800 to $1,000. Now it will be very less crowd over here. By 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock it will be more, and if it is Sundays, it is unimaginable crowd. And there will be a shopping area and all. But I see with so much rush also, there won't be anyone screaming, fighting, snatching. Okay, like in Delhi it happens. So anyhow, contact and speak to Abhinandan. Visit my website, watch the complete video. After you watch the complete video with patience on a laptop, it is very shameful that people still don't have a laptop in India. I speak to people, they say my laptop is broken or my computer is not working. So that's why you have to come with me to China, Shenzhen. There you will get a laptop for 1/3 the cost of Indian price. And many of those models you don't get it in India. Okay? So you know what? Contact and speak to Abhinandan and interact with me. This video may be boring or the video in my website may be boring. For me also, business videos will be boring. I feel sleepy. But when I'm watching some scrolls, I'll be awake for 2 hours, 3 hours time. So, but force your mind to watch the video in my website completely and then WhatsApp me on my Peru number. I have my USA number, but WhatsApp me on my Peru number. I have my India number, I have my USA number, I have Peru number. That is a business account what I have right now. So WhatsApp me your complete detail. It is very pathetic that in India, people who are doing referral business, affiliate business, network marketing business, even trainers and coaches, online trainers, they'll just say hi, one word. They don't know how to introduce themselves also professionally. Let me stop right now. I just have to go this side. So at this landmark, this is near my place where I'm staying. It's about 5 to 7 minutes walk. So contact and speak to me. I have a lot of this kind of intro videos. The real video, another intro video is there on my website, abhits.info. Watch that completely and then give me a call to attend a Zoom meeting, to attend a paid Zoom meeting. If you are ready to start with minimum $55 and later to achieve a free business trip to first Malaysia, second China, third if you like to visit, probably you can come to Colombia, okay, in the whole of South America. Then you can come to, you can travel to USA. I'll give you an opportunity for you to travel to USA. But you should have the desire. See, 2025 vanished. What did you achieve? I visited 4 countries. I was in USA last year at this time. December I was in Miami. February 2025 I came to Colombia. I was there for 6 months. Then I came to Peru, 2 months. Now I came to Bolivia, La Paz, and then I am right now in Santa Cruz, Bolivia. Next I'll be going to Chile and then to Argentina. So if you are very keen, talk to me after you watch this particular video, okay? And don't come to your own conclusion. No one can help you like Abhinandan. Provided you do business, no one can support you like Abhinandan. No one. He is your upline, he is your friends, he is your upline, he is your friends, giving you an offer for you to visit USA. Why you have to visit USA? Forget about all that media nonsense. You visit USA for your business earning, to get a 10-year visa. If you get a 10-year visa, another 70 countries you can travel visa free. Another 70 countries you can travel visa free. See, whole of South America, you don't need a visa, except I think 1 or 2, Ecuador, even Venezuela. Okay, out of some 13 countries, some 10 countries you can go visa free. So let me stop right now. Talk to Abhinandan. Before you talk to me, study everything. Before you talk to me, I know I'm repeating 3 times because I'm seeing at some pretty people. Okay, so before you talk to me, visit my website, watch the complete video, and then talk to me. WhatsApp me and tell Abhinandan I watched the complete video. Now I want to pay 201 rupees as my commitment, that I am very committed, okay, and attend your 40 minutes to 60 minutes Zoom meeting. Then only you get a clarity. If not, you will go join fake businesses. You contact me, lot of fake businesses. They say 1%, 2% daily. If you are new to this kind of things, why would anyone give you 1%, 2% daily in a digital asset? They are all pump and dump. Okay, yes, there was an article by, I think, Indian government. They say how they give money initially to create trust and then they vanish away. I'll send you that article. Anyhow, so I'm going to stop right now and contact me and speak to Abhinandan. Very, very important. If you really want to make 2026 a great year financially and travel. If you love traveling and if you love to earn above $3,000 per month, it can be even $5,000, $10,000 depending on your time and effort. Okay, so I'm going to stop right now.